Hello everyone, welcome to the All Rounder channel, and today I am going to show you how to make a paper ring. So first you need 10 centimeter breadth and 1.5 centimeter length paper. It should be thick paper and the same cutted size, 10 centimeter breadth and 1.5 centimeter length white A4 paper or any paper you can use. So first we are going to color it gray in color. So I have my watercolors over here. As you can see, take the brush, dip it in some water, lot of water for some time. Take the grey color, apply it completely on the paper, on all the sides. It should be complete grey color. You can take any color paper. Keep on coloring it. And make sure there are no white spaces. And the paper should not be torn. It should be perfectly cut out, and it should not be so wet that it's going to tear. Don't wet it a lot. I'm using watercolors. If you have any other color also, you can use it. Poster colors will be a better option. On both the sides you have to do it. Now I'm done with the one side. Now on the second side I'm going to do it. And you should color it a bit dark gray, and it should look like you have used a gray color paper. It should not look like you have painted on it. It should be that gray. It's a lots of color so that no one will be able to find it that we are using another color. So we'll just let the paint dry. We'll let it dry. So till that time we need the white color paper, and take a pen and draw anything you want to. So I am over here going to draw a circle and then a fire in the middle. Like this. You can make anything. And now you need to make it round so that it fits in your finger. The perfect round for your finger. Like this. Roll it and check. It should be, it might be big for your finger or small, so you can adjust and do it yourself. So we will round it and stick glue over here at the edge of it so that it sticks. Taken it and stuck it properly. See, like this. Now beside there is some white spaces. Anything you want to do, you can do it. Now once your paper, this one is dry, which I've colored it grey, same thing you need to do. Same thing, just again make a round like this and stick it with the glue. If the paper is wet, wait until it's dry. Or you can even first put the glue on one side of the wet grey color paper and put the normal white color paper on it. Like the white color paper is there with the fire, I drew it. Attach it on the grey color paper. Make sure it's properly stick or else it might come out. See, it's like this. And the behind the grey paper, I have stuck it. Now you need to take a pencil or grey color pencil, you can use anything, and color the full white color paper. It's a grey coloring, so I'm using a pencil for coloring it grey. Yes, now I've colored it green color. It's looking like this. I have done it in some parts so that it looks nice and doesn't look blank on the left and the right side beside the fire. And now we put the glue on the side, roll it and then keep it there round, stick it where your finger fits perfectly, because this size might be bigger or smaller. Done with it. So we are done with our ring. It's gonna look like this at the end. Perfectly. You can wear it. And see the fire. So thank you guys. Please make sure that you like, subscribe and share the video.